Hello friends, so today we are going to unbox AC1350 by TP-Link. I'm already using D-Link's router, but I want to try this one. My router is not performing that much well, the D-Link one. So I'm just going to unbox this one. So let's unbox this one. It's covered actually with plastic. So yeah, Amazon just gave it me like this. They didn't put it inside any box, something like that. So yeah, that is how it is. You can tear it up. So it's basically sealed. That's what I can see. It's a brand new one as well. Yeah, that is it. As you can see, it will support 86 Mbps, 5 GHz, 450 Mbps, 2.4 GHz. It has 5 antennas, as you can see. I will show you guys as well. And about the features, these are the features, and nothing else I can see. These are also some of the features. Okay, and the box actually looks good. I like the color of the box, though it doesn't matter, but still I like the box. Now let's open it. It has a side opening. Opened. Yeah, here it is. Nothing inside the box. I can put it aside. And here's some quick installation guide. Some manuals on how to set. We'll definitely set it. So we will get this router with 5 antennas. As you can see, these are the antennas we have. It looks good, I must say. It looks really good. The 5 antennas, it looks cool. I can put it aside. What else? We have got a J45 jack. How long is it? I'm not sure. Let's check this out. How long is this? Yeah, it's a small one, I would say. I'm not satisfied with this one. It's pretty small. The length is not that much, as you can see. It might be just 4 feet. Not even 4 feet, I would say 3.5 feet, I guess. Yep. So that's what we get here. And also the power adapter. The power adapter is 12 volt. Yeah, that's it, I think, about the unboxing. I will definitely come with some reviews, how I'm getting the speed with this TP-Link. Yeah, that's it for the day. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.